So you just switched from ChatGPT to Claude, the most capable software on this planet, just to ask it how many calories a banana has. This is the first layer of the Claude iceberg, and I'll be showing you all the deeper layers of Claude, skipping all the obvious stuff and just going straight to the unknown methods, which I don't see anyone in the space using. First thing is upload everything you have to Claude. Export all of your WhatsApp chats and import them to Claude. On screen, you're going to see step-by-step how to do it. Do the same thing for your entire ChatGPT history. Export your ChatGPT history and upload it to Claude because you don't want to start from scratch. Then connect your Zoom with your Claude. And every time you ever will have a call from now, you will have transcriptions of it. Claude will know you better. Claude will know what's going on. They know the context and they just start knowing more about you and your life. Then the next thing you will absolutely need is Claude's ability to read videos. So if you send it a TikTok link, a Facebook video link, or an Instagram link, or YouTube video, whatever it is, you need to be able to tell Claude, transcribe it, summarize it, explain to me why it went viral, like everything. So here's how you can make sure that Claude actually can read videos. So how you're going to do it is you're going to first click on settings, then you go into capabilities and you scroll to the very bottom and make sure that the code execution thing on the right here is actually turned on. And then also network access is on and all domains is on. Everything has to look exactly like this. Then after that, you have to go onto the skills page and click on here. And then you're going to get redirected to GitHub and you just have to click on watch.skill. Then once you downloaded it, you go back on the skills page, click on create skill and just upload the skill which you just downloaded. Then once that's done, you're going to have to go on this website right here, console.grok.com/keys. And you're going to have to create this thing which is called an API key. And then you just go to the general settings again, and then you're just going to copy this sentence and the key itself. So this right here kind of gives guidelines on exactly what to do to Claude. And that's it. Once you have that, you can just take any video and the command which you're going to use here is /watch. So /watch, whatever link you want, and there we go. The cool thing about it is it doesn't only look at the transcript, but also at every image of the video. So it will actually analyze everything. Now, once that's done, the next super important thing is to connect your Google Drive. If you connect your Claude to Google Drive, you're later going to be able to tell it, upload this video on Instagram, and you just send it a Google Drive link, and all of a sudden, it will do it for you. This is going to be super easy. You just click on the connectors and then Google Drive, and you just go through the steps, and that's it. Super simple, but very necessary. Now, once you did all that, you will officially have a significantly better Claude than before watching this video. This is still just the tip of the iceberg. So here's going to be some money-making connections, which are actually going to move the needle. This is going to save you so much time. Whisperflow. By the way, I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm not getting paid from them, but this is genuinely something I'm using. Essentially, you just press a button on your laptop and you could dictate whatever you want, and then Claude will have that as a prompt. And it just works so much better than the actual Claude one where you send it a voice message. This one just always works. It never breaks up. Now, after that, you're going to actually have to connect Higgsfield. Again, you go to the connectors, add Higgsfield, and you're just going to take this URL and copy paste it, mcp.higgsfield.ai/mcp. Then you just go through the thing, click on connect, make sure it's on always allow. And then after that, it's already connected and you can tell Claude to use Higgsfield to make an image of whatever you want using Nano Banana Pro or whatever image model you actually want to select. So yeah, there we go. Nice apple. Then after that, you will have to connect your Claude with Meta. And the result of that will be telling Claude to upload ads, to scale your campaigns, to launch anything you would do on Meta now, you will do through Claude. In general, your goal is you stop using any software and you're just going to be spending all of your time doing anything on Claude. You're not going to go on Higgsfield, not on Facebook, not on Instagram, not on anywhere. Everything happens inside of Claude. Then you will want to connect your Instagram with Claude. After this is going to be ready, what's going to happen here is Claude is going to be automatically posting videos on your Instagram for you. And how to do that is the following. Okay, so same as on Higgsfield. So you just type in Blotato, then mcp.blotato.com.mcp, and then you just click on connect. Then obviously you're going to have to approve everything. Also on Blotato, you're going to have to pay them a few dollars and create the API key, and then everything should work. Now you can also create legit websites with Claude. Let me show you an example here. Now please, by all means, do not do this. I've seen a bunch of dropshippers try these like fancy, cool looking Apple websites and they don't work, okay? This is something you can sell to a client for $20,000 because they need a website, but you shouldn't ever do this. Get this out of your head. Just because you can do this, you shouldn't. But it's cool. Hope this was useful. Now let's get into the super unpractical stuff, which is not going to help you at all, but is really, really scary and it actually bothers me. And I keep thinking about it and it genuinely is something which I want you to listen to. I actually double checked this is real. A guy literally got blackmailed by a fucking AI tool. They repeated the whole thing over and over again, and so many of these AI tools did it again.
I really do believe that we could have models that are a country of geniuses in a data center in 1 to 2 years.
But in reality, like when you practically think about this, like all the things I just showed you, how you can connect your Claude to this and that and this. Imagine like Claude could actually take over your entire business. The second that happens, there's going to be an infinite amount of great businesses and all of a sudden none of them is going to work. So obviously saturation is going to kick in so hard, you're not going to be able to fight it at all. So I've been really thinking about like what you can do to fight that. And genuinely the only thing which comes to mind is like stacking money. The only way out is if you have a bunch of money and then all of this goes down and then you can't start from scratch, you still have your money and you chill. People who have more money are going to somehow make sure that people with more money are still going to be fine. The best way of doing all of this is just having millions of dollars in your bank, which obviously is like easier said than done, but it is what it is. You obviously understand that right now, using AI, we're in a really good spot to make a bunch of money because you might think the whole market is flooded, everyone's using AI and all of this. 16% of the population has ever used a single AI tool. 0.3% of the entire world has paid $20 per month for any AI subscription. So almost no one is actually trying to make money with AI. It just seems big to you because you're in the bubble. Also, keep in mind, these AI tools are gonna get ridiculously expensive. They're pulling off the Uber model right now. What Uber did in the beginning is they gave out free rides for $1. You could ride 10, 20 minutes and it was extremely cheap just so people get used to using Uber because they had insane investors and it was heavily funded. They lost a bunch of money in the beginning and now Uber's Uber, they're printing. This is what these AI companies are doing. They're making sure that you have to use Claude. You have to use these AI tools, and once they got you hooked and you won't be able to like just work by yourself, you have to use Claude for everything you do, then they're gonna 10x the prices, 20x the prices, and either you have money and you're gonna be able to continue using them, or you don't. And then you're fully fucked. From all the opportunities which are out there, there's just a few which are very specific and like easily applicable to most people, where you can actually start making money within a few months. In my opinion, the best way of doing it is posting organic videos and either selling your own product or being an affiliate for other brands. This is something which it's easy and hard at the same time. If you know what a good video is and how to make a bunch of good videos every single day with a very high volume, it's actually not that hard to blow up. However, if you don't, it's almost impossible because the competition is just so much better at the moment with AI. Me and my community, we've been heavily focused on organic content for the last few years. We've been doing Facebook ads as well, but we know exactly what goes viral at the moment. And our competitive advantage is that we see the space, like what is going viral today and this week and yesterday and this hour literally, and we kind of give it out to our community. So how it works is we see, okay, this video blew up, it will also blow up in 10 different other formats within the next few days, and once these few days are passed, it's going to stop blowing up because this is how the algorithm works. And we just start giving you really good content ideas every few days. This is essentially the product we have. On top of that, we're going to help you with either doing your own dropshipping stores for these videos or help you become an affiliate for a brand where you make tons of affiliate money with just posting these videos. So if you're interested in joining our community, I'd highly recommend clicking the link below and just seeing if it's a good fit. Essentially, we're just going to have a call. We're going to figure out if everything is a good fit, and if yes, we're just going to start working together. So if you're interested, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we see if it works.